Are you confused about which weight loss method actually works? With so many diets out there, it's hard to know what's real and what's just hype. Today, we're diving deep into intermittent fasting, one of the most popular weight loss trends, to find out if it really delivers results. So what makes intermittent fasting different? Here's the game changer. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. Unlike traditional diets that restrict your food choices, intermittent fasting focuses on timing. The science is fascinating. After hours without food, your body uses up its sugar stores and starts burning fat instead. This process is called metabolic switching, and it's the secret behind why intermittent fasting works. Now, there are several ways to do intermittent fasting. Let's break down the 5 most popular methods. First up, the 16:8 method. This is the most popular approach. You eat during an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. Some people skip breakfast and eat between noon and 8 p.m. Others prefer eating earlier, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's flexible and fits easily into most lifestyles. Next, the 5:2 method. For 5 days a week, you eat normally. On the remaining 2 days, you cut your calories to just 1/4 of your usual intake. So if you typically eat 2,000 calories, you'd eat only 500 calories on fasting days. Research shows this is just as effective as continuous calorie restriction. Then there's Eat Stop Eat. This method involves fasting for 24 hours on 1 or 2 non-consecutive days per week. It requires serious willpower, but many people swear by it. Alternate day fasting is exactly what it sounds like. You fast every other day. Some people modify this by eating 1/4 of their normal calories on fasting days instead of complete fasting. Finally, the warrior diet. This plan mimics ancient warrior eating patterns. You eat very little for 20 hours, then have a 4-hour eating window at night. During those 4 hours, you focus on raw fruits, vegetables, dairy, and hard-boiled eggs. This one needs more research, but some people find it effective. During fasting periods, stick to 0-calorie drinks like black coffee, tea, and plenty of water. When your eating window opens, eat normally and choose nutritious foods. But here's the catch. Don't compensate for fasting by raiding the pantry. Moderation is still key. Let's talk about what happens in your body. Intermittent fasting triggers important hormonal changes. Your nervous system releases norepinephrine, which tells fat cells to break down body fat into energy. At the same time, your insulin levels drop dramatically. Lower insulin means your body can access and burn fat more easily. It's a powerful 1-2 punch for weight loss. But intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. You should avoid it if you're diabetic or have blood sugar issues, if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have a history of eating disorders, or if you're under 18. Always consult your doctor before starting any new diet plan. Worried about losing muscle? Some research suggests intermittent fasting may actually help maintain muscle mass while burning fat. However, these studies have limitations, so take this with a grain of salt. Ready to try intermittent fasting? Here are 5 keys to success. 1. Watch your calories during eating windows. Don't overcompensate for fasting time. 2. Eat a healthy, balanced diet when you do eat. 3. Include regular exercise, especially strength training. 4. Be patient. Your body needs time to adjust, and results take time. 5. Stay consistent. Like any diet, intermittent fasting only works if you stick with it long term. Intermittent fasting can be an effective tool for weight loss when done correctly and safely. It's not magic, but it is science-based. Whether you choose the 16:8 method or another approach, the key is finding what works for your lifestyle and sticking with it. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. Ready to smash your weight loss goals? Whether you're trying intermittent fasting or not, we all need support sometimes. If you're struggling to kick those pesky cravings to the curb, check out Thank You. Their unique and natural formula speeds up weight loss, helping you lose weight quickly and effectively. Find the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Drop a comment below and let me know which intermittent fasting method you're interested in trying. You've got this.